Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How you all doing? Vicky here. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming and stopping by. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe, as this is going to support my channel a lot. So today I'm going to show you how I make this spaghetti bolognese. Very delicious, yummy and simple meal to make. So I'm going to use beef. Just process the beef. You can use any meat product of your choice, but for this one I'm going to use my beef. So this is perfect. Next, I'm moving on to prepping my veggies. I'm using cucumbers, cabbage, peppers, and spring onions. I'm moving on to heating my pan. Just use any saucepan and then grease the pan with oil. Next, we're also going to just put in our spring onions and minced garlic. We're going to saute that and just allow it, seep into the pan and oil. Salt it and then add your minced meat. Just gonna scatter and saute that into the whole thing and just allow it take in the flavor of the onion and garlic. So the meat is already turning brown, and we're going to season it with paprika, curry. You can use whatever seasoning that's available. Next, I'm adding rosemary leaves. Also going to add seasoning cubes, followed by my soy sauce. You can also use any sauce of your choice, oyster sauce, chili sauce, any kind of sauce that you prefer. Next, I'm adding pepper. And finally, I'm going to add tomato paste. So at this point, we're just going to give it a good stir and allow this cook. So while that is cooking, moving on, I'm going to just cook my spaghetti. I'm not going to break it though, because there's this meat that you don't break your spaghetti. So that's it. I'm going to parboil that. Next, the sauce is ready. I'm just taking a good look at it, and I've sprinkled some more spring onions. Look at how good it looks. So the spaghetti is boiling and it's ready to be strained. It has fully parboiled. So it's important that you give it a first wash. So I've washed and I have cooked it. I cooked it with turmeric, Maggi, salt and oil so it doesn't stick and it has a good taste. So as you can see, it's almost ready, getting dry. I'm going to leave this for like 2 minutes, and once it's dry, it's ready to serve. So it's time to serve, and I'm just going to dish out my spaghetti, and that's how it is. It looks so bright and yellow. It's looking so good. Trust me, it was nice. So I'm just gonna garnish it with cabbage and cucumbers. I've sliced some cabbages and diced some cucumbers. So you can use any vegetable of your choice just to garnish. And here we go. This is the sauce and our spaghetti bolognese is ready. So guys, please try this meal. Give it a try. This is actually my first try and it was awesome. It was nice. Do well to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until my next one. Bye y'all.